Okay, so we can create a Zap that will basically trigger one of the actions in Gmail, and it gives some results within Trello, right? For example, creating a board and adding the entry and so on. So if you have Trello account, can create a new board, right? We will be connecting to that. Let's say I'm gonna name this automate, right? And we can add some color, vibrant like this. Then there is visibility. I can make it workspace only for now, and then click create. So we have like one board here which I'll be using for most of the automation related guides, right? So let it get created. It will take us to another page here. It will show us if we have any other tables inside. So here we have option for table and calendar both. As you can see, the color is a bit extreme, so I'll just keep the default, right? Can add another list. I will name this Zapier, right? Add this list. Now what I can do, I can go back to Zapier. Then next thing I will try and click on Zaps, and let's see if I can create a new Zap. And also one more thing to do is basically I will be establishing a connection as well. So I will just search for it just in case. Right. Currently no apps I created, so I will go back to apps, and this is where I integrate. I will type in Trello, then I will establish a connection, and it will open up in new window there, right? As you can see here, we have like Zapier that I can give access to. It tells you option to allow to make changes, right? So once authorized, it will go back here, reload it, and show you the connection. Right now I'll go back here, and we have like these three apps. So I will try to create a new Zap, right? And for that, what I will do is, so here we will type in when email from sender line 27 comes, create entry in Trello board, right? We will generate this using AI, right? So now what it will do is it will show you one of the possible Zap, right? New email, then you can create card. So I will try this one. So now it will show me the steps to do that. So if I check this particular, click on the step, I have app connected. Now here the trigger is that new email from sender align 27, right? So it will say the email from Zapier which I want to change. So let's say email from Zapier, no, instead it should be from Gmail. It will try and log in now. So event is new email matching search, then say continue. Then here I will try and type in align. Then let's refresh the field, continue. Then it will try and test this trigger. So it should work, right? Now next it will try and find one of the email patterns. We will continue with the one, and then we will move on to our Trello account. You can choose which is one already there. Click continue, and here I will choose the board. It will show up once it connects. You can also search through it. You can see automate is the board name, and then Zapier is our list. We go back here, custom, and then bold. Right, so there is automate, and here I can choose the list, but it should appear. It is taking a bit more time, right? So I will use set and let it search. Should find this particular list, right? And then we will select this. And there you go, right? Enter text or insert data. So basically we will take one of the from name align 27, right? And then we will come back here. Description, I can also add the subject, right? So I'll just choose the subject, and then I will try and label this just something like yellow or so. Then anything else if you want to add, you can add, and then continue. Okay, so we will test this one. Right, so we will have one of the card within the list if this gets triggered, and it should do the change here. But considering this is email dependent, you will have to wait that much longer. Right, it often causes those issues due to read errors. You can always keep, just in case, if everything here listed is correct, you just publish the whole zap. Right, now the thing is, you can take a look at the published zap here within the dashboard as well. Right, so total part was going through flow of Zapier and Trello based on a trigger generated by Gmail. So now you can take this from here.